Welcome to our video blog. Today we're going to show you how to make one of the products we're needing for this film. That's fake money. I'm going to show you all the ingredients you need to make your own fake money. The ingredients: scissors, money, a pencil, paper, you get it in university, water, a pen, and a tea bag. To make tea, you got it. And then rubber bands. Come on, I'll show you how to make the money. Viewers, I'm going to show you what the first step is to make the money. You get the bill, the pencil and the paper. You make an outline of the money on the paper, of course. Now we're going to cut it. So now we have a nice stack of paper at the side of the real bill. Let's go to the kitchen and show you what the next process is. Come on. So we're in the kitchen now. Next process: fill the pan with water. How much water do you need? I'd say half of the pan. For viewers, look, water in the pan. Amazing. Next step: you put the pan on the stove thingy. Turn it on, and now we have to wait. In the meantime, while you're waiting for your water to boil, entertain yourself, and this is how you can do that. The water is boiling now, time to make tea. And I hear you say, tea, what kind of tea do you use? We use Earl Grey tea. So now we have tea, put the paper in the tea, wait for a few minutes, and then your paper is done, you have to dry it. Takes a lot of time, so I made just as preparation some fake money already. I'm going to show you now how to make it look like real money. So we have our papers, we have the money, and we've got a rubber band. The thing you do now, put the real money on top, fold it, get your rubber band. Here you go. Gangster money.